I don't. He's not right here.
LA County Sheriff's Department.
He's got scissors?
He's got scissors in his hand. Hey, drop everything in your hand. Drop everything in your hand. He's at the door right now with scissors in his hand.
He's got scissors in his hand.
Drop everything in your hand now.
Check out. Watch out.
Hey, Earl, he's at the door with the man.
You went to the other door.
Which door is he at?
He was at this one, but I think he's walking towards the front.
Okay.
The LA County Sheriff's Department, if you're inside the house, come out with your hands down now. If you're inside Florence Avenue Boulevard, come out with your hands down now.
Right.
And it's this window off to the left, correct?
Yeah. Very good for you. You saying all your scissors in front, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, scissors in front? So scissors in case. You're ready to go. Over. Ready.
Screaming. He's grabbing her. Get in. He's grabbing her. He's grabbing her. Take it.
Come on.
Hey, grab her feet. Hey, someone. Come on. Come here. He's grabbing her. Get in. Go. He's grabbing her.